Hello and welcome on my channel. My name is Dory and today we are going to do a free minimalist design without any app or anything like that that you have to pay for and without being an artist. So you're gonna head up to Canva, and if you don't have an account, that's fine. You have a free version of it. You don't need to have the pro version, and let's get started. For the size of your Canva, you can go with anything basically. I like to use or posters US or letter US. So the letter US is a little bit easier for people to print home. It's already set on the printer and it's basically with the paper that they're gonna have already home. Then we're gonna go in the search bar up there in elements and type shape. And in the setting, you want to make sure that you select free. So all the shapes that you're gonna have around are free to use. So select the one that you want. You have quite a few options in there. And I like to click also on graphics, so it makes it only graphic basically. So select the first one. It's pretty easy. You can crop them to have just a part of it, or you can keep them full size, up to you. And you can also change the color pretty easily on those shapes and just play around with them. And I'm gonna take another one and yeah, you have plenty of options basically. I like to go by three, so for the design, I'm gonna go just with three different shapes, and I'm gonna change the colors, adjust, and play around a little bit with them. So to clean up a little bit more the search, I forgot to click on static, so it means it's only basically shapes that don't move. So it's perfect for print or anything like that. I pick a third one. I'm gonna play around, just change the color as well to go with the rest, and yeah, just be creative. It's just art. There's nothing to it. And if you want to save your colors in a palette, you can also do that on the side, so you can have designs with the same colors. And yeah, so here I'm just looking around, and I'm gonna go just in minimalist. So just type minimalist, and we're gonna do exactly the same process. So you're gonna select free and static and apply, and look all those beautiful design that you can get. And the same thing, you can change the color of the design after. So I'm just gonna play around, make sure, I don't know, it looks good. I just want to make sure it's black. I think it looks a little bit better, and just gonna make it a little bit bigger so it fits the page a little bit better. And there you have it. So if you have the pro version, you have some art that already made for you, but that's what you can get for free. And you see, it took me like 2 minutes, so you don't really need to go for the full paying version. And that is another design I did earlier. So you see, you can do plenty of stuff. And I didn't draw any of those. I just found them online. I believe this might have pro features, but the one we just did together, everything is for free. And I think it looks pretty amazing. And then when you are happy with your design, we're just gonna download it. So I will be downloading the PDF print for what I'm gonna put on the Etsy store. And for the mockup, I'm gonna use a PNG, and I'm gonna also upload the PNG on Etsy so people have the choice between the two. And for the next step, I'm gonna go on place it. So the same, you can have a free version or you can pay for an upgrade. You will be finding a lot of free stuff on there as well, so you don't need to pay. Um, so I'm gonna just select like a mockup that fits the design. You have pretty basic stuff. Um, you have plenty of options over there. Okay, so let's go with this one. And when you're ready, just upload the file. So just go to download and the PNG that we just downloaded. Add it, crop it. If it's a poster size, it's gonna be right on a good size for the place it, so it's perfect. And then you have it. You have a beautiful mockup. Just download it, and then let's go to Etsy. And now all what you have to do is upload it on Etsy. So upload the mockup that we did together, and then you're gonna be uploading the two files, so the PDF and the PNG. Get some tags keywords, title, descriptions, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.